What makes learning stick? Is it the content, the method, or the environment? Instructional design explores this question deeply, seeking to understand the best ways to facilitate learning. It's about crafting learning experiences that are not only effective, but also engaging and memorable. Imagine a teacher planning a lesson. They don't just think about what to teach. They consider the students' needs, the learning goals, and the most suitable activities to achieve those goals. That's instructional design in action. It's a thoughtful process that involves creativity and strategy. Instructional designers use proven methods and innovative tools to create courses, workshops, and online modules. Their aim is to make learning not just a task, but an enjoyable and impactful experience. They strive to present information in a way that truly resonates with learners, making it easier to absorb and retain. Instructional design is crucial in many settings, from academic institutions to corporate environments. It's used in schools, universities, and workplaces to enhance learning experiences. By carefully planning the learning journey, educators and trainers empower individuals to gain new skills and knowledge, fostering growth and development. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. Chaotic, right? Instructional design models provide that blueprint for creating effective learning experiences. Models offer a structured approach, guiding designers step by step. They act as checklists, ensuring all essential elements are considered. This results in well-organized and impactful learning materials. These models are not one-size-fits-all solutions. They are adaptable frameworks that can be tailored to different needs. Whether it's a short training session or a full-fledged online course, there's a model to guide the way. The ADDIE model is a classic in the world of instructional design, known for its structured and systematic approach. It stands for analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation, each stage playing a crucial role in creating effective learning experiences. Let's break it down in more detail. Analysis. This stage involves understanding the learners and their needs. What are their existing skills, knowledge gaps, and learning preferences? What are their existing skills? What challenges do they face in their learning journey? What are the learning objectives? How will the content be structured to meet these objectives? Design. Here, the blueprint of the learning experience takes shape. This includes defining the course structure, selecting appropriate instructional strategies, and planning assessments. Designers define the learning content, activities, and assessments. They create the materials, whether they are videos, interactive modules, or written content. Development. This is where the actual creation happens. It's a collaborative effort involving content experts, graphic designers, and multimedia specialists. Designers develop content, choose technology, and put everything together. This stage involves pilot testing and making necessary adjustments before full-scale implementation. Implementation. The learning experience is delivered to the learners. This could be through online platforms, workshops, or traditional classroom settings. This could be through online platforms, workshops, or traditional classroom settings. Evaluation ensures that the learning objectives are met and identifies areas for improvement. Evaluation. After implementation, it's crucial to assess the effectiveness. This involves collecting feedback, analyzing test results, and making data-driven decisions. Did the learners achieve the objectives? What feedback did they provide? What improvements can be made? How can the learning experience be enhanced for future iterations? The ADDIE model provides a systematic approach, ensuring a thorough and well-structured design process. It's a continuous cycle of improvement and refinement. It's widely used for its clarity and adaptability across various learning contexts, making it a go-to framework for instructional designers worldwide. Imagine a ladder with different levels of thinking skills. That's Bloom's taxonomy. It categorizes learning objectives from simple recall to complex evaluation. Remembering. Recalling facts and basic concepts. Understanding, explaining ideas and concepts. Applying using knowledge in new situations. Analyzing, breaking down information into parts. Evaluating, making judgments and defending opinions. Creating, generating new ideas or products. Bloom's taxonomy helps instructional designers set appropriate learning goals, It ensures learners progress through different levels of cognitive skills, leading to deeper understanding. The Successive Approximation Model, or SAM, is all about iteration and agility. It emphasizes rapid prototyping and continuous improvement. First up, we have the preparation phase. Here, we define the problem and gather all the necessary information. Next, we move into iterative design. This is where we create a prototype and gather feedback. Finally, we enter iterative development. We refine the prototype based on the feedback we received. SAM is ideal for projects with evolving requirements or limited timeframes. It allows for flexibility and adjustments along the way, making it a popular choice in today's fast-paced world. Models in Action Training example. Let's imagine a company wants to train its employees on a new software. This software is crucial for the company's operations and efficiency. Here's how they might apply the models to ensure effective learning and application. ADDIE. They'd start by analyzing employee needs to understand the gaps, design the training program tailored to those needs, develop comprehensive materials, implement the training sessions, and finally, evaluate its effectiveness through feedback and performance metrics. Bloom's Taxonomy. They'd set clear objectives across different cognitive levels, ensuring employees not only learn to use the software efficiently, but also analyze its features, apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios, and solve complex problems that may arise. SAM. They might start by developing a basic training module, gather immediate feedback from participants, and refine it iteratively, making improvements after each session until it meets the desired learning outcomes and employee satisfaction. This example shows how these models can work together seamlessly to create a comprehensive, engaging, and effective training program that enhances employee skills and productivity. Choosing the right model for your needs. Selecting the most appropriate model depends on several factors. Project complexity. For complex projects, ADDIE provides a structured approach. Time constraints. SAM is ideal for projects with tight deadlines. Learning objectives. Bloom's Taxonomy guides the development of meaningful learning goals. The best approach often involves combining elements from different models to suit specific project needs. Strengths and weaknesses of each model. Each model has its strengths and limitations. ADDIE comprehensive but can be rigid, especially for projects requiring flexibility. Bloom's Taxonomy. Useful for defining learning outcomes but doesn't provide a step-by-step design process. SAM. Agile and iterative but may not be suitable for complex projects requiring detailed planning. Understanding these aspects helps instructional designers make informed decisions about which model or combination of models to use. Conclusion. Better learning through design. Instructional design models are essential tools for creating effective learning experiences. They provide structure, guidance, and a focus on learner needs. Whether it's ADDIE, Bloom's Taxonomy, or SAM, each model offers a unique approach to designing engaging and impactful learning. By understanding these models and their applications, educators and trainers can empower individuals to learn effectively and achieve their full potential.